Well, hello, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Finds videos. And today, we are on the hunt for new hits and old favorites. Let's go. What's going on here, you guys? What is this? Every now and again, I see something in the office supply section, and I have to ask my girl, Joy from Joyful Designs, what the heck it's for. But what is a pencil grip? I kind of... Am I losing it, you guys? I don't even understand. Back in my day, we just had a pencil. We didn't have a way to grip it. So I guess maybe your pencil slides in? I don't know. If you guys have ever used this before, or you know how this works or why, make sure to put in the comments what it's for or why, so that I can better understand. Okay, you guys, well, you know, every now and again, I have to look at the notebooks because I cannot help myself. You can never have too many. And be for real, are we looking at this now? I think this is at the $3 price, but look, that's kind of like a soft kind of fabric. It looks like it's some nice lined paper. And I actually think this is very, very cute for like a little journal to give away for the summer, like a little summer journaling situation here. Now let's see what this one's looking like. Oh, these are dang cute, you guys. Look at that. Let me get you guys up nice and close so you guys can kind of see that. Really, really cute. Do they have another design here? So you've got another really cool design. That is just so cute. And again, these are all lined paper. Oh, wait, maybe these are $5. Sorry, you guys, I stand corrected. Is that all the different styles? Yes. So they've got 3 different styles that I can see here at my store, and very, very cute. Very, very cute. But let me know if you guys like these, if you like that kind of fabric on the style, on the top. Okay, you guys, this is my absolute first time seeing these. Check these out. So this is does it smell like a Klondike bar? It is, unicorn dreaming. It is a candle that I'm guessing is supposed to smell like a Klondike bar. And these are $1.25 based on the sign here. And I see that, oh, you better stop it. Creamsicle? Hold up, y'all. I might actually have to get this one. Let me see if it smells like it. It actually smells like a creamsicle, you guys. I love that. Oh no, not the fudge pops. Oh my goodness. I wonder what these are. You know, the smell is obviously diffused until you light it, but I'm wondering how that would smell lit. Oh, the tropical popsicles. You better bring summer back. Oh, that is so cute. And then check this out. Breyer's ice cream is in on the bit too here. Vanilla fudge twirl. They've got me feeling some sort of way about these. And then I see this, what is this? The mint chocolate chip. Very cute. Very cute. Never mind my dry hands, you guys. It doesn't matter what time of year it is. They're going to be dry. And then we've got just the plain vanilla version here too. And that is just so cute. I've been seeing a lot of stuff like this at the Dollar Tree where it's kind of like nostalgic, bringing back different, you know, scents and things. And I love that. Oh my goodness, you guys. I was about to head away from the area and then check this out. Bob Ross, still doing it. Mountain Retreat. Oh my gosh, that color green is really cool though. So that's a candle. Smells like, I guess, Mountain Retreat. We've got a little happy little trees. If you ever used to watch Bob Ross, that will stick with you. That's that color green. And then we've got Meadow Lakes. Oh, Bob Ross. That's a really pretty kind of pale blue color. And these again are $1.25, you guys. Oh, and the happy little clouds to join the happy little trees. And that color blue is very, very cute. So man, they've got some cute candles. If you want to add these to like birthday gift packs or something like that, super, super cute. Oh, check this out, you guys. This place has some different versions of those candles. Natural strawberry. Again, this is that Breyer's ice cream version. And then pure nostalgia right here. Pure nostalgia. Strawberry shortcake. This one is plum scented. It's a plum scented candle. And again, these are at the $1.50. Let me see, trying to get them off the top shelf, you guys. This is the lemon scented version. I like that color yellow. That's really cute. And I see, oh, I gotta get way up there, you guys. And I'm tall, so that's saying a lot. Strawberry shortcake, blueberry scented candle. I love that so much. So much nostalgia. And I'm seeing some other stuff here too, you guys. Let me show you what I'm seeing. Fluffy Stuff cotton candy scented candle. and that's the kind of color blue that that is. And then down here, check this out. Bubble or double bubble. What in the nostalgia is going on here? Scented candle. Let me see what's happening here. I see a blow pop. I see the blow pop. I used to love blow pops, you guys. Scented candle. That's what that's looking like. I'm seeing the Smarties scented candle. Way cute. Way cute. And then lastly, kind of out of place here, but I see it, Junior Mints. So you guys look around for these, because I saw some up on that super tall shelf, and then I saw some here and just spread throughout. But those are really, really cool. And you can actually smell them. They're actually pretty nice. Come on now, you guys. You know I like to slip by the electronics and see what's going on. The headsets that they are putting out are literally second to none. Are you telling me you wouldn't want to get gifted these? I want to get gifted these. My birthday's coming up. These Reese's wireless headphones, dang cute. And they are $5. Let me turn it to the back here. $5 a pop. I love that. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Let me know if you know anybody who would be interested in those. I'm also really loving these handheld fans, because you guys know, again, it's hot. It's hot and getting hotter by the second. And these are only $5. What does this one do? What's the difference? Nobody knows. I have no idea what the difference is between these. They're all $5, but this one has a different style than these, but very cool. Very cool. Love those. Let me show you guys this really quick. Now this is $1.75. Oh Lord, y'all, I'm going up top. I'm going up top. Let me grab one that's already put together here. Do you guys see this? It's basically, let me see if I can get it into the space here. It's basically a solar table lamp. That's what it's kind of looking like. Does that make sense? So it's a solar table lamp for this $1.75. I love that for our outdoor patios and things like that. Way cute. And I think this is my first time seeing this. Now I've seen a lot of solar lights from the Dollar Tree, but I don't know that I've ever seen a table lamp. Let me know if you guys have seen these in previous years, or if this is brand friggin' new this year. Also, just wanted to show you guys this as well. I think this is kind of a table style lamp too, but it's kind of got this really cool patterning on it. I was hoping they would show me a picture of it lit, but I don't see that on there. And it looks like there's only a couple of these, but very cute. I'm guessing these are also at the buck. We're gonna say we're hoping that they're $1.75 as well, but way cute, way cute. Okay, you guys, I know we looked at some of the Patriotic stuff before, but we're gonna pop in here and just see if there's anything new that they put out this year. For whatever reason, I think that these wings are super cute, and they're kind of the smaller ones, but I think you could probably get an adult into those. Super, super cute. Oh, that's cute. I like this beaded garland, because that heart with the flag is very, very cute. I could see you doing all sorts of DIYs with that. They also have one with a hat. And then what's this one? Okay, very nice. So, because you know, you can always use this as part of a DIY and then use the beads for something else. I also love that they've got the Patriotic glasses back out. These are kind of like a flower pattern. Very nice. Oh, and then the hearts. Love it, love it, love it. And then I think, you guys, if I'm not mistaken, these are the ones that actually light up. Yep, I think there's like a battery in there. So these are kind of the star ones. They're clear, but they do light up. Let me see if I can get this back on with my little one hand here. So those are cute. I'm also seeing something else. Don't want to raise you guys too fast, but check out this garland. Now it's hearts, which I think is really cool, but I guess it's over here in the, it's part of the Patriotic section, but I could easily see pulling this apart and then using the hearts for something else entirely. Very, very cute. And they have that kind of metallic-y kind of flair to it. I do love the fans, because let's be for real, it is hot and getting hotter. So you get a 3-pack of fans here for that dollar. I think it's $1.50. So that's cool. Oh, I always love these curtains, you guys. Look at that. So it's kind of a red, blue, and silver kind of curly Q. situation. I like that. Let me see if I see. Oh, hello. Is this $1.50? Wait, you guys, don't want to move you fast. But I'm loving these like balloon stack situations. So this one's 12 by 12 each. Okay. And then it kind of stacks up like that. That is way, way cool. And these are just $1.50. That would be a cool way to kind of like, you know, put this out by your driveway so people know that your house is where the party is. I love that. Let's see what else. No, these are always really nice. I love these packs for like even like Christmas in July. Really, really cool to get those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Did you spy something that got your creative juices going? Make sure to put that in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, have a good rest of your day.